Here, friends, today we're going to draw an alligator.
A cartoon alligator. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna try to keep this lesson nice and easy for young artists. How old are you?
7.
7. So I hope you have your art supplies ready. You got a marker or something to draw with, some paper, and at the end we're going to
Color it.
color it. Yeah. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first draw our alligator's eye. We're gonna draw a circle over here on the left side of our paper so that we have room for his body over here on the right. Whoa, that's a big eye. Then we're gonna draw another little circle inside. I love how big you drew it. It's okay that we draw things differently, right?
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun. All right, you ready to keep going?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna color in the big circle, but leave the little one white. Now we're gonna draw a line that goes over his eye. And we're gonna draw it like this. Boop. Looks like an upside down U. Then we're gonna draw his nose. We're gonna draw a little line that comes out. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw another bump like this for his nostril. Now inside of this, let's draw a little nostril. Then let's draw his mouth, and it's gonna also turn into his belly. So we're gonna draw a big curve that starts here, comes down to about there. Yeah, keep going, and then start curving it. Yeah. Now we could draw his mouth. Let's draw a little line right here. We could draw a line, it goes like this, and we're gonna make him smiling. So right at the end, you can curl it back up. Yeah. And then we can also put a little cheek. And I think we should add teeth on the outside. They usually have sharp teeth, right? Mm-hmm. So we could draw a little sharp teeth sticking out. Good job. All right, now let's draw his back and also his tail. So we're gonna draw another line that comes down like this, and we're gonna curve it up. Curve down and up, kind of like a smile. Mm-hmm. Like the smile we drew.
But super long.
He's super long, nice and big. And now we can draw his first foot. We're gonna draw it right here. We're gonna draw a U shape that comes down and back up. Yeah. Now we're going to draw another one right in front like this. That's about the same size, but we're only drawing part of it because it's behind his other leg. Yeah, there we go. And now he looks 3D. Now let's draw the rest of his belly. We're going to imagine this line coming under, and we're going to draw it coming back a little further like this. So right here, we'll draw a little line like that. Then we're going to draw his back leg. We're going to draw another U shape like this, and then back up. You're doing a great job, Austin.
Thanks.
Okay, let's add one more leg and one more foot so that he has 4. We're just going to draw a little U right there. Okay, now let's finish his tail. We're going to start right here, and we're going to draw it coming up like this, getting really close to the other line. So we'll start there, we'll draw it coming up, and then right here at the top, we're gonna connect them. I'm gonna go like this and connect them. You can do the same thing. And then curve it in and connect it. Yeah, you did it. Okay, now at the very bottom, let's add a curved M. And this is for his little claws. We're just gonna draw it like that. Curved M for his. He has more claws than this, but we're just going to keep it nice and simple.
Yeah.
Now we're going to add a few more things to make our cartoon alligator look cooler. We're going to draw some bumps on his back. So right here, I'm going to draw a curve like this that comes down. Draw a curve down. And then we're going to draw another curve that comes back like this and back up. So start there and come back up. Yes, now we're going to draw another one right next to it.
It looks like a saddle.
It kind of does look like a saddle, like if he was a horse.
Yeah.
Now we're going to add another one. I'm going to keep going all the way back until we get that back here all the way to the very end. Yeah. All right, let's do one more thing. We're gonna add another bump over here so that he has another eye on the other side of his head. He looks more 3D that way.
Yeah.
We did it. We finished drawing our cartoon alligator and he turned out super cool. Except he's gonna look better once we do what?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color him. Now this part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
All right, dude, we did it. We finished coloring our alligators. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
And we used yellow colored pencil for what?
For the stomach.
Yeah, for his stomach and his belly and the bottom of his tail. And then we used what color for the top part?
Green.
Green. And I even used a dark green to add a little shadow on his legs, but you could leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier. And I also added a little white highlight on the bottom of his eye to make his eye look even shinier. Now, it's okay that our drawings look what?
Different.
Yeah, they don't look exactly the same, and that's okay. And it's okay if our art friends' drawings look different than ours too, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure their drawings look even cooler than ours.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it's not important that our drawings look exactly the same. What's the most important thing?
To have fun.
To have fun and to
Practice.
practice. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.